If you've ever tried to set up PTO policies and found that no one actually reads or understands them, this video is for you. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to set up PTO policies that employees actually understand. And if you stick around till the end, I'll share the one thing most companies forget to include that makes all the difference. And you'll get access to a free trial of the software I personally recommend for this. Let's dive in. Start by choosing the type of PTO policy: traditional, accrued, or unlimited. Most small to mid-sized businesses go with accrued PTO, where employees earn time off based on hours worked. It's simple and feels fair, but if not explained clearly, it can still confuse your team. Whatever you choose, be ridiculously clear on how time is earned, when it resets, and whether unused time rolls over. Don't use legal jargon. Write it like you're explaining it to a friend. For example, you'll earn 1.5 days off per month and it resets every January 1st. You can carry over up to 5 days. Next, define what PTO can be used for. Is it just vacation? Can they use it when their kid is sick? Clarity here prevents back and forth emails and awkward conversations. Then, set expectations for how to request time off. Be specific. Submit PTO requests at least 10 business days in advance using name of software. And make sure managers respond within a set time frame, ideally 48 hours. This builds trust and consistency. Now here's where most policies fall apart: visibility. Your team won't follow a PTO policy they can't find or don't remember, so don't just bury it in your HR handbook. Put it somewhere they check regularly, like your onboarding platform, TeamWiki, or Slack pinned messages, and use software that makes this whole process effortless. I've tested the most popular PTO tools: Gusto, Bamboo HR, Deal, Rippling, and my go-to recommendation for clarity and ease is insert top pick here. I've linked an exclusive free trial just for viewers of this channel in the description below. It lets you customize your policy, automate accruals, and even integrates with Slack or email for smooth notifications. Quick pro tip: include a PTO quick guide that breaks the policy down in one page. Bullet points, no fluff. This dramatically improves understanding and cuts down on questions. Before we wrap up, here's the key takeaway. A PTO policy only works if people actually understand it. That means keeping it clear, visible, and easy to follow, not just legally correct. To recap quickly: choose a clear PTO type, explain how time is earned and used in plain English, define what PTO covers and how to request it, make it accessible and automate it with the right tool, use a one-page quick guide to reinforce the policy. If you haven't already, take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description. It's the exact tool I use and recommend to streamline this whole process. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.